Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily change Spotify playlist picture. So let's start. The first thing you want to do, you just been Spotify, you need to have like the latest version of Spotify to update the playlist. Now what you need to do is just when I'm going to come here, I get a statement, and when I'm going to hover on the picture of the actually playlist, I want to change the picture, click edit, and then again click on the picture, desktop, and I'm going to change it to something like, I don't know, Baby Yoda, right? And click save. And this is how you can simply change the Spotify playlist picture. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. And if you find this video helpful, you can support and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for it. And you can also like this video so other people can see it, that it's trustworthy. So thank you. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.